Everyone, I want you to look at this picture. Look at my patient. Okay, he has no hair. He lost his hair due to genetic male pattern baldness. Came to our clinic and we transformed him to how he look now. Ta-da! The results after hair restoration with us. Look at him. He looks so different. He looks so youthful. He's so happy with his results, and everybody is asking how he got his hair back. And of course, he has highly recommended our clinic to all his friends and his relatives. Also, not only that, because his hair looks good, he has come in to do other treatments in our clinic like body contouring. I like to thank my patient, and I'm indeed very happy with my team and with myself to do such a beautiful result, conservative yet so beautiful for my patient. Thanks to everyone, and thanks for my patient for supporting and believing in us all this while. Thank you.